right. All right, I think we're good to get it up. Yeah, so I have been given access to a garage, a lift, tools, oil filter, and all that stuff for some reason. And they are letting me do my own oil change for the first time, and it's my job to not ruin the car completely. We'll see. I'm not too sure about that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, I don't know what to do. Let's look under here, get a lay of the land a little bit. All right, I can figure this out. And I'm gonna get made fun of for grabbing this one. Okay, well there's all that. I wish I knew what I was doing. Is it that one or that one? I would assume it's that one. Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay, I think I was tightening it. Let's try it that way. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, it's loose. Okay. I'm gonna get my mechanic gloves on. I'll be like that one girl on TikTok that does bespoke oil changes. Oh no. Okay. Well, there we go. Look at that. It's like the lifeblood of my car. It wasn't that much oil, like it's kind of slowing down now. Do I do anything while I wait for this to happen? Or do I just sit here and wait for it? I did that. That's beautiful. I love to see it. The tripod's just gonna be covered in oil and I just have to accept that. This was done by Valvoline last, so like, God, I can't see a single thing. Yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, this is a really unfortunate angle. Look at it. This is such a poor angle. Okay, hold on. Nothing left to it but to do it. It was recommended that I use this thing. They called it the grabber. Oh shit. Yeah, that's not grabbing onto anything. I think I'm tightening it. No, I wasn't tightening it. Okay. God damn it, Valvoline. Fuck. All right. Here we go. Okay, that didn't sound good. Some of the paint of the thing. Okay. Damn. God damn it, Valvoline. Those motherfuckers. Let's try old reliable here. Little bitch. What if I'm just like turning it the wrong way? Okay, well neither way is doing much of anything. Ugh. Fucker. Oh, you little bitch. Okay. Those fuckers. Damn you, Valvoline. What if I just... it's not doing anything. I'm tightening it. God damn it, that's embarrassing. I think I'm just tightening it. No. If it's going... Yeah, I was. Oh boy. I don't know. That's embarrassing. You just turn it all the way the other way. I think it's doing it. It's turning. Oh, it's turning. Oh my God. All right. Okay, I'm gonna grab the new one. Oh yeah. Smells like oil. How much does this thing take? I should check that beforehand. Does this thing say? No. All right, I've been told 4.6. That means that the oil needs to be there when I'm done with it. And I'll take a little bit of that. That's what you're supposed to do. Oh boy. Okay. This is not going too well. Motherfucker. Okay. Hold on. Oh, come on. Ugh. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, it's on. It's on. Okay. Yeah. Slippery. I think that's on there. Give it one last solid pull. Yeah, that's on. Okay. Here's hoping, I guess. We'll find out quickly if it didn't. All right, here we go.
Well, I'll hold it if you want 4.
Okay, yeah. 4.6, I think.
Yeah, you got a ways to go yet.
Yeah. All right, a little bit more. All right. That's 1.5, I think.
Yeah, so one more.
It's a 5, okay.
Yeah, yep, 5 quarts. So.
You're right, yeah, I didn't. God, that would have ruined it.
You're all right.
I did the bathroom.
So you got a wingman. And honestly, a little bit more isn't going to hurt anything.
All right, that's about half, I'd say.
You said 4.6?
4.6, yeah.
Splash it one more time.
All right.
Perfect.
All right.
That drain.
There we go. Nothing came out the bottom. Okay, that's good. Nothing's out the bottom of the car. Do we fire it up? I'm kind of scared to be honest. I don't know if I want to do this. I think I just kind of want to leave it here and, you know, never know if I did it right or wrong. I mean, there's no time like the present, is there? I'm so nervous. I don't want to do this. I think the scariest part is that I'm like surrounded by like actual professional mechanics who will like absolutely scold me if I fuck this up. I mean, there's no time like the present. I'm like nervous to start it, you know?
Why?
Huh? I don't know, because it's like,
It's okay. You got the filter tight.
yeah, it's like, yep, hand tight.
Yeah. You got the drain plug in, nice and
Yep.
tight. Not over tight, but nice and tight.
Yep.
And there's nothing on the floor.
No, nothing on the, that's the first thing I checked. Yeah. All right, well, there's nothing, might as well.
Fire it up. Let's see what happens.
All right. Okay, scared me for a sec.
You didn't have any oil pressure.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Yeah, buddy. Good job.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Someone back there was doing an impact for a sec, and it sounded like the engine was like just absolutely tearing itself to shreds. Try to be quiet. There's people in here, and I don't want to seem like a douchebag. Shout out to Wingman Garage, I guess, for letting me come here and do this and helping me out with the oil. Thank God. Giving me confidence to start the engine after I was very inconfident. Well, let's get it out of here. There we go.